So far we have seen traditional deployment, virtualized deployment and containerized deployment, right?
Yes, of course.
So, but what is bothering me is, what is the difference between each other? Everything seems like same.
Yes, they seem same, but they are not same. Actually, there is a subtle difference between traditional virtualized and container deployment. So what is that exact difference? That we are going to see here. Okay. So if you look into the traditional and virtualized, it's basically in virtualized we use containers, whereas traditional we take just mainframes. Okay. So whereas container deployment, what is that? In container deployment we are going to use what is that? Docker, a container. Okay.
Let's do time travel to various deployment eras that are exist in IT. So first we will enter into traditional deployment era using time machine. So early on, organizations ran applications on physical servers. There was no way to define resource boundaries for applications in a physical server, and this caused resource allocation issues. For example, if multiple applications run on a physical server, there can be instances where one application would take up most of the resources, and as a result the other applications would underperform. A solution for this would be to run each application on a different physical server, but this did not scale as resources were underutilized, and it was expensive for organizations to maintain too many physical servers. So now the next deployment era is virtualized era because of the problems or challenges that we have faced in traditional deployment. To solve those challenges, to solve those problems, then came a virtualized deployment. As a solution, virtualization was introduced. It allows you to run multiple virtual machines on a single server, on a single physical server CPU. So virtualization allows applications to be isolated between VMs and provides a level of security as the information of one application cannot be freely accessed by the another application. So virtualization allows better utilization of resources in a physical server and allows better scalability because an application can be added or updated easily, reduces hardware costs. So each virtual machine is full machine running at all the components, including its own operating system on top of the virtualized hardware. So the last one we have is container deployment. So container deployment era is a latest era, present era, running era. Containers are similar to VM's virtual machines, but they have relaxed isolation properties to share the operating system among the applications. Therefore, containers are considered lightweight, similar to a VM, that's virtual machine. In a container has its own file system, share of CPU, memory, process space, and more, as they are decoupled from the underlying infrastructure. They are portable across clouds and voice distributions.